Introduction. Parathyroid glands are two pairs of small endocrine glands which lie on the posterior border of the thyroid gland within the false capsule. Thus there are 4 glands in all. They secrete the hormone, parathormone, which controls the metabolism of calcium and phosphorus along with thyrocalcitonin. Location 1. Superior parathyroid gland. It is more constant in position and usually lies at the middle of the posterior border of the lobe of the thyroid gland. Though inferior parathyroid gland, it is more variable in position. It may lie within the thyroid capsule, below the inferior thyroid artery and near the lower pole of the thyroid lobe. B. Behind and outside the thyroid capsule, immediately above the inferior thyroid artery. Shape oval or lentiform. Dimension 6 mm long, 4 mm broad and 2 mm thick. Weight 50 mg. Histology. The reticular tissue forms framework of the parathyroid gland. Each parathyroid gland is made up of chief cells or principal cells and oxyphal cells. 1. Chief cells. The chief cells are polygonal or round with centrally placed vesicular nuclei and a pale staining acidophilic cytoplasm. Though oxyphal cells. These are few in number. They are placed singly or in small groups. These are larger than chief cells. They have darkly staining nuclei and strongly acidophilic cytoplasm. Chief cells secrete parathormone. The primary function of parathormone is to maintain the blood calcium level within critical range of 9 to 11 mg/%. It maintains the calcium level by 3 ways. By increasing the resorption of calcium from bones. B. By decreasing the excretion of calcium through kidneys. C. By increasing the absorption of calcium from GI tract. Blood supply. 1. Inferior thyroid artery. Though anastomosis between the superior and inferior thyroid arteries. Venous drainage. 1. Superior thyroid vein. Though middle thyroid vein. 3. Inferior thyroid vein. Lymphatic drainage. 1. Petechial lymph nodes. Though prelaryngeal lymph nodes. 3. Jugulodigastric lymph nodes. Nerve supply. 1. Middle cervical ganglia. Though superior cervical ganglia. Clinical aspect. 1. Hyperparathyroidism. Tumors of the parathyroid glands, parathyroid adenoma, leads to excessive secretion of parathormone. This condition is called hyperparathyroidism. It may lead to a weakening of the bones and liable to fracture because of excessive resorption of calcium from bones. B. Hypercalcemia, i.e. increased blood calcium level because of excessive absorption of calcium from GL tract. C. Formation of stones in the urinary tract. Though hypoparathyroidism, it may occur spontaneously or occur following accidental removal of parathyroid glands during thyroidectomy. This results in hypocalcemia, i.e. decreased blood calcium level leading to increased neuromuscular irritability causing muscular spasm and convulsions, tetany.